Welcome back, everyone. It is our good friend Heather Leverich with the Conservatory of the Ozarks and Dwight Trollinger, a student at the Conservatory. Good morning to you both. Great to see you both again.
Thank you. Good to see you.
Yes. Okay. So how is everything going for Conservatory of the Ozarks?
Great. We have a vocal techniques class on Wednesday evenings that we started a couple months ago, which secretly in the next few months is going to be our Christmas choir practice time. And I want more people to come, so we have a really big choir this year. And so I thought I would share a little sample of some vocal exercises we do today. And Dwight, and then another of my students, Dwight is a sound engineer, and so he's helping me make the playlist on our channel of these exercises that we'll be demonstrating today.
Awesome.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, so let's start, shall we?
Okay. The first one we don't need the playlist for. On the actual playlist, the instructions will tell you what to do. But this exercise, sorry everyone, it's going to be terrible to listen to, but it's very good for your voice. It's called the siren. You might have heard of it before. Yeah. So we want to begin with a really nice inhale by dropping our jaw, opening in the back, just like you yawn, and then releasing your abdomen so we can take in a nice breath, and then try to keep all of that space in the back of your mouth as we bring our corners of our lips together like this into an ooh shape. And we'll try to hit our lowest pitch in our range, slide up to the highest pitch in our range, and then back down again in one breath. If you need to stop and take a breath, just stop and take a breath, no shame. You know, it takes a while to build up sometimes. We want to begin and end right above our vocal fry range, which is that sound. We don't want to hit those crackles. So right above we start, and then we come all the way up and then back down without going quite that far. And try to keep the space intact in the back of your mouth. Oh, and when you go up high, you can just drop your jaw into an or an ah vowel shape. You don't have to keep the ooh tight as you go up for the high notes.
Can you do one as an example for us?
Yes, yeah, I'll show you. So we breathe in. Ooh. Like I say, not very beautiful to hear, but
Wow.
That
She's
sounded
a
like an
machine.
actual siren.
Yeah,
It really did. I was like,
She's like
okay,
a
cops
sign
are out
lady.
there.
Mine will not sound like that.
Not mine either, yeah.
Okay.
and so we can try one together. It's going to be so fun. Everybody at home, hold your ears because it's not very pretty.
Or do it with us at home.
Yeah, do it with us. This is a great way to wake up your voice. It's also a good barometer for your vocal health if you will do a siren every day. So here we go. Nice deep breath. Not too bad?
Not too bad.
So if you are doing the siren and you're used to doing it regularly and you're up in the upper part of your range and you have interruptions in your phonation, which means the sound stops and you can't keep a connected slide, that's usually indicative of inflammation in your vocal folds. So that's how this exercise can serve as a temperature check or a barometer for your vocal health if you are used to knowing what you should expect on a good day, which can help you gauge your stamina for the day. But it's also a vocal warm-up or exercise, so it kind of serves two functions. Now this next exercise, I'm going to play from my phone because that was the easiest way they thought for me to kind of control what's going on. But we're going to say we, and we will start on G4 and slide down to C4 like this. We, and we're going to try to keep our teeth apart and the tip of our tongue down. Press gently against the roots of our lower teeth so you feel the bottom of your teeth and the top of your gums at the same time, and no teeth touching anywhere in your mouth. Wee! You can see a nice tall E. Wee! That's the shape we want as we sing these, and we'll be descending by seconds. Wee! And breathe. Wee! And breathe. Wee! And so we actually have a male demonstration on the playlist because if you're a man, you're going to have to sing an octave lower.
Oh, I was singing the octave higher with you. I was matching you.
So
It's
Dwight,
okay for now, but eventually it gets so high
Yeah.
that you will
So I have to go
There
the
you
octave
go.
lower.
There you go.
Oh, I was
Yeah.
just matching with you. Sorry.
Yeah, no.
Okay, wait, do it again.
It's
okay.
confusing,
It
yeah.
is, okay.
The voice
Should I be
is
singing
kind
with
of-
you then?
sing with
Are you
Dwight,
singing the lower
yeah.
with?
Yes,
Okay.
yeah.
Yeah. Okay, so I'm going to skip forward into the track because we go probably farther down than most people will be able to hit, but some people can. So you can always flip an octave higher at that point.
Okay.
To do that, yeah.
And then we'll go up higher, then you probably can go at which point you can flip down if you want to. And so we'll go kind of land here in the middle. We. And now we'll be ascending with each repetition. We. Keeping the slide connected. We. And now we could start with some vibrato if we can. We. And even spin your vibrato as you descend. We. Kind of like a ghost sound. We. We.
It's funny.
I can't do anything. You guys are doing my good.
I'm not laughing at you. I am laughing with you, my friend, because your commentary is making me laugh. I love it so much, though.
This is great. I always wanted to be a singer, so I'm like,
All right, you're gonna be Mariah after this. Okay, let's go.
You wanna-
We'll keep going.
Okay, how much time do we have left? Should we do only one more maybe?
Excuse me, you're getting me choked up. There we go. I'm ready.
Okay.
no, let's do one more.
Okay, this one we'll say ma 5 times. This is the one I meant to say will be descending by half steps with each repetition, but this one will be descending by seconds, like we're stepping down a scale of 5 steps. Ma, 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 with separation between each of the pitches, just short duration pitches.
Okay.
And we'll start at middle C again.
Octave lower.
Ma, 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 ma. Yeah. So if the demonstrator is a female and she sounds like ma, 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 like the notes are kind of in the middle of her voice, not ma, 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 or ma, 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 really high or low, you should feel like you're in the middle part of your range as well. Exactly. Exactly.
Okay.
Yeah, just like ma, ma,
Ma,
ma. Then breathe and ma, 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 ma. And should we try going? I'll skip
Yes.
ahead to the high part.
Yes, let's try it.
Ma,
Ma, ma, ma,
ma, you're so good.
ma, ma, ma,
Feel vibrations on your lips for that.
ma, 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 ma.
Let's see how high we can go.
Ma, 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 ma.
9 in the morning.
Ma, ma, ma.
Wow.
Not bad for 9 in the morning.
Yeah,
Yeah,
I know.
yeah.
It's like, oh, wake up, voice.
All right, so one more time. These classes are on Wednesdays?
From 6 to 7. If you're not a private lesson student, then the fee is $75 a month to come every Wednesday. And there's also a class on Thursdays you can come to for the one price. And we're preparing for our Christmas recital, which is going to have a special guest this year who's green and really mean.
Oh, I got you
And
now.
Oh.
I'm not going to say his name. But he steals candy from Who children in Whoville. And so, and we're gonna be doing so many fun songs. So we want lots of people to come and help out with the choir. And you can do more of these super fun vocal exercises
It
as
is
well.
fun, guys.
Yeah.
It is fun. And once you get used to it and you get practice, you get better singing. First of all, thank you guys so much for coming in.
Thank
Heather and
you.
Dwight, thank you. And as we go to commercial, I'm going to show you my favorite one from when I was
Okay.
in college. Mommy made me mash my M&Ms. I like
That's a
saying
good
that
one.
It's
That's a
fun
good one.
Just saying.
Mommy made you wash your M&Ms?
Mash.
Mash.
Mommy made me mash my M&Ms. Guys, don't go anywhere. More fun coming up after this.